Are you ready to feel like royalty? Today, we're drawing a majestic princess crown. Let's dive in. Grab your markers, it's time to create something regal. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. We're making a beautiful princess crown. Using your black marker, let's start by drawing 3 small circles. Now, connect them with curved lines, creating the framework for our crown. Next, draw the base to give it that royal look. Don't forget a tiny heart shape to make it extra charming.
Cool!
Once you're done, let's make those lines bold and sharp with your marker. For the fun part. Get your color pens ready. We'll be using pink for that elegant touch. Red for a touch of passion. Purple for some royalty. Blue for serenity. Bottle green for that splash of nature. And a dash of orange for that vibrant spark. And a burst of yellow for joy. Well done on those beautiful colors. Fantastic job! Your princess crown looks absolutely magnificent. Keep creating and exploring in the magical world of art. See you next time on Toddlers Art Hub. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.